Hey, yo, so I bought some Logitech speakers. I'm trying to mount them. I put some nails in the back where the holes were so I can mount them on the wall. I already got that one on the left already done, but look, check it out. I pressed down so I can mark where they need to go. Got the speaker, pressed as hard as I could so I can mark it. After I did that, I knew where I need to drill. Bam. After I drilled, it was smooth selling. You know, you don't want to go in all the way, but you want to go in like about halfway. That sounds crazy, but you want to go in about halfway, and then once you do that, the holes on the back of the speaker, push those in and it's gonna stay like so. Find the hole, Demarius, find the hole. Okay, yeah, go have another 8 in there. But all right, but look, just check it out though, man. Watch, subscribe, do it.
Progress.
Do it now.
Progress.